Topper Boliola. I do weddings. It's very, very technical in the sense a lot of people don't know about it. Kasi ang hirap eh. If you miss a shot, talagang wala na yung shot na yun. And one more thing is yung reaction ng tao pag yung mga like yung bride, especially yung bride sa yung groom. Pag once na nakita nila yung mga pictures nila at very content sila, dun parang magiging masaya ka, ikaw din kontento. My cousin Bernard Capuyan and Sir Tommy Afala, they were doing their things sa darkroom. From then on, talagang naging interested ako sa photography. Then, from a hobby, when it's becoming a profession, and hopefully, we will earn something from it. Because at least you're happy doing the thing that you do, I think. Maraming influences, sina Sir Rick, sina Abel Baldemor, sa Under Angeles. Although yung level nila malayo. Siguro pwedeng matutunan pero as in malayo. Sa akin lang yung photos, they actually make, if the photo is good, then it would make people react. So pag yung may ginawa ka na photo tapos people reacted to that, either be a sad emotion, a happy emotion, or kung ano mang emotion na yun, basta if it provokes an emotion, makes a photograph good, or that's what I like about it. So in a sense, yun yung tingin ko sa photos. That's why I really love taking photos and of course viewing yung photos. Plus you learn from them. If there's something that you want to do, na nakita mo yung shot na yun, gusto mo na, paano yung ginagawa yan? So, gusto mo talagang tularan. It brings out the best in you in a way siguro if you're challenged, with the shot na yung sinot ng mga ibang tao. Kaya tama yung sabi ng isa na batikan na photographer din sa Baguio, si Sir Ompong, na you should always have a camera beside you because you will never know what will happen. Kung noon nakikita mo lang yung tao lang, parang iniisip mo, ganda naman ng backlighting noon. Parang lahat na gusto mong i-frame. So parang iba na rin in a sense, parang ganun. There was one thing na I hope that I would have learned before, na nung unang-una pa is exposure, para hindi nasayang sana yung mga kadami-daming mga film na nagamit ko. Some of us, na the younger generation, we tend to always say na yung gamit maganda, kaya maganda yung shot, or kailangan ng magandang gamit para sa shot na yun. Better equipment basically. Saka post-processing, dapat magaling ka sa post-processing, mga ganon. Pero may mga ibang mga seasoned veterans, hindi ko nasasabihin kung sino, talagang they scolded me, hindi lang siguro ako. Kasi dapat yung shot off cam, diretso sa camera, kung ano yung nakita mo, yun na dapat. I mean, that's a good shot, parang ganon. And if you have Sir Noli Gabilo had a speech on photography, landscape photography. Tamang-tama yung sinabi niya. It doesn't matter kung point and shoot yung hawak mo, D3X or 5D or whatever camera, as long as you know how to use the equipment. Most of us tend to parang side talaga na dapat maganda yung equipment mo. So I think that's one trend na nakikita ko sa mga younger generation, in which case hindi dapat ganun. Daming magagalit, pero yun lang ang totoo. Sa tingin ko lang. Tama, hindi ko alam yung sinabi. There are many ways that people are remembered for. Some people help people, maybe doktor sila. Dami lang natulungan na tao siguro, hindi natin alam. Some politicians do great things. Even an ordinary person can do great things. As a photographer, we can also be remembered by what we do. Movies, they last, yes. But in my case, I think that photos are stronger than than moving images. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. Sa akin naman, I want to leave something behind then. Something my children would remember me for. Something that people remember me for. And I'm really, really hoping that it will be through photographs. Take a good photograph that people will remember you for and that will last forever, or at least for 200 years, not on the day that you die. And you know, it's something that hopefully my family will be proud of. So that's how important photography is to me.
Agraraman, ganun lang naman.